Well, I cannot, I tried a PZ19 carb on here too. It does not fit either. So I said, well, let's just put this one on and go with it. Because we're trying to use this bracket thing. Well, nobody told me about the clutch issue, and I never really thought about it till the last minute while I'm putting this thing on. So, alright, we'll fix it. So what I'm thinking is something like this. Not how I envisioned it, but hey, it'll do. Well, not bad for 5 minutes, right? I have a scrap piece of metal. Awesome. Alright, so I use the adapter. I put that new carb on. So, all I did was make an aluminum plate. I put a nut in the back there where you'd put that stupid chain guard no one uses. Same bolt. Worked fine. I just used 1/4" aluminum. I tapped that, the 6M 1mm thread tap there, put the cable holder in, spring, a deglazing spring, if anyone knows why it's called that. No, what it does is it keeps the bucking bar from slamming back and forth so it doesn't constantly rub on it. So it's supposed to push it just off that pin so it's not wearing it out prematurely, but who knows? It's up for argument. But anyways, yeah, I got that, got the carb mounted, got this all done, the electrical all done. Basically, we gotta just add fuel and pray it starts. So, there we go. But today, I am done. So, alright. But yeah, you guys didn't tell me about the clutch issue. But anyways, that's right there. No problem. Boom. So, that's all. I'll give you a shot around it this way. I would go through there. Alright. So what I'm thinking is something like this.